Today, we're counting down the top 15 discoveries made by AI, breakthroughs changing medicine, physics, space research, and the world we live in today. Let's dive in. Number 15. Protein Structure Prediction Breakthrough. For half a century, predicting how proteins fold was one of biology's biggest unsolved challenges. Proteins form the machinery of life, and their shape determines how they function. Misfolding is tied to diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, but solving these 3D structures used to take years of experiments. DeepMind's AlphaFold changed everything in 2020, accurately predicting structures in hours. By 2022, it had mapped over 200 million proteins, covering nearly every known protein on Earth. Researchers are now using these predictions to advance treatments, design enzymes, and even explore ways to tackle antibiotic resistance. In 2023, Stanford researchers used AI to decode brain activity into text at nearly 80 words per minute, restoring communication for paralyzed patients. At UC San Francisco, another team trained deep learning models to translate brain signals into entire sentences, opening doors for people who lost the ability to speak. Beyond communication, patients are already using BCIs to control robotic arms or digital keyboards in clinical trials. AI is making these systems more accurate and less invasive, with wireless setups beginning to replace bulky implants. Number 13. AI and mathematical reasoning. AI is now competing with the world's best young mathematicians. DeepMind's AlphaGeometry, introduced in 2024, solved 83% of International Mathematical Olympiad geometry problems spanning 25 years. That's comparable to a gold medalist's performance. What makes it unique is transparency. Instead of just spitting out answers, the system shows step-by-step reasoning like a human. The implications go far beyond math competitions. Geometry underpins robotics, navigation, and physics. With AI capable of proving theorems at this level, scientists are optimistic about fresh insights in pure mathematics and more reliable algorithms for engineering and science. Number 12. AI weather forecasting breakthroughs. Accurate forecasts save lives, but traditional models take hours of supercomputing processing. In 2023, DeepMind's GraphCast upended the field by producing forecasts in seconds. It outperformed Europe's ECMWF, the world's leading physics-based model, on 90% of key metrics. GraphCast successfully predicted Cyclone Mocha, which hit Myanmar in May 2023, nearly a week in advance. That extra time is critical for evacuation and planning. Agencies are now testing how to integrate AI models alongside existing systems. With climate change driving extreme weather, faster and more accurate predictions are becoming essential for communities worldwide. Number 11. Discovery of stable new materials. Material science just leapt centuries ahead. In 2023, Google DeepMind announced Genome, an AI tool that predicted the stability of millions of crystal structures. Out of these, it identified 380,000 previously unknown stable materials, almost 800 years of discoveries at the usual lab pace. Early lab tests have already confirmed several of these predictions, including materials promising for batteries, solar panels, and superconductors. This AI-driven roadmap is transforming how scientists search for building blocks of future technologies. Instead of random trial and error, researchers now know where to look. Number 10. AI-invented algorithms, AlphaDev and AlphaVolve. AI is not only solving problems, it's creating new solutions. In 2023, DeepMind's AlphaDev discovered a faster sorting algorithm, later adopted into the official C++ standard library. It's the first time an AI-created algorithm has entered such a core computing system. In 2025, AlphaVolve took it further by designing state-of-the-art algorithms across 50 open math and optimization problems, beating human-devised methods in many cases. These breakthroughs save computing power and time on a global scale. For the first time, AI is directly contributing to the foundation of computer science itself. Number 9. Automated robotic scientific discovery. Science often moves slowly, but AI-powered robots are changing at pace. In 2023, researchers at the University of Liverpool demonstrated an autonomous robot scientist that ran experiments around the clock, testing hypotheses, analyzing results, and deciding its next steps without human input.
Unlike traditional labs that shut down overnight, these systems can operate continuously, accelerating discovery cycles. Similar platforms are being tested for chemistry and biology, where trial and error dominates.
By integrating robotics with AI, researchers can cover far more ground in weeks than human teams could manage in years. Number 8. AI for radiology analysis. Medical imaging has exploded in volume, largely because AI is driven by data and radiology has a lot of digital data already ready to be used by AI. Millions of CT scans, MRIs, and X-rays are performed daily. Radiologists often face overwhelming workloads, and this is where AI foundation models are stepping in. In 2023, Google's MedPLM was tested for analyzing chest X-rays, showing diagnostic accuracy on par with expert radiologists. Meanwhile, the NHS in the UK has begun piloting AI systems to triage scans and flag urgent cases faster. Instead of replacing doctors, these tools act as co-pilots, helping spot early signs of cancers or fractures that might otherwise be missed under heavy pressure. Number 7. Mapping the human brain in unprecedented detail. The human brain contains about 87 billion neurons, but we're only beginning to map its intricate wiring. AI-powered connectomics has allowed researchers to chart brain tissue at nanoscale resolution. In 2023, Google and Harvard released the most detailed 3D reconstruction of human brain tissue ever, covering a cubic millimeter with over 57,000 cells and billions of connections. This dataset, created from electron microscopy images stitched together with AI, revealed structures never seen before, including new patterns of synaptic organization. Such maps provide neuroscientists with a clearer blueprint for studying memory, disease, and cognition. Number 6. AI for climate change modeling. Climate change demands better predictive tools, and AI is stepping up. NVIDIA's Earth, 2 initiative aims to build digital twins of the planet, simulating weather and climate patterns at ultra-high resolution. Traditional climate models can take weeks on supercomputers, but AI can generate projections much faster. In 2023, researchers demonstrated AI systems that predicted localized drought risks and extreme heat waves months in advance. These models can help policymakers and scientists test what-if scenarios, like how certain emissions cuts might change global outcomes. Faster, more precise simulations mean better preparation for the climate challenges ahead. Number 5. AI-powered gravitational wave and astrophysical discoveries. Gravitational waves, ripples in space-time first detected in 2015, are notoriously faint. Detecting them requires analyzing massive datasets from observatories like LIGO and Virgo. AI is now speeding up that process. In 2023, researchers demonstrated deep learning systems that sift through noisy data in real time, identifying potential signals far faster than traditional methods. These tools also help classify cosmic events, such as black hole mergers and neutron-star collisions. By making detections quicker and more accurate, AI is giving astrophysicists new ways to study extreme cosmic phenomena and refine our understanding of how the universe evolves. We've reached the top 4 AI discoveries transforming science and technology, breakthroughs that are fundamentally reshaping our understanding of the world. From designing life-saving drugs to pioneering quantum computing and beyond, these incredible advancements are redefining the very limits of human discovery and innovation. Number 4. AI-assisted drug and protein design, a field rapidly accelerating the pace of medical innovation. Designing new medicines has always been a notoriously slow and costly endeavor, often taking over a decade from initial discovery to final regulatory approval. AI is now dramatically rewriting that timeline, significantly accelerating the search for effective new therapies and bringing them to patients faster. It was only in 2023 that researchers successfully used generative AI to create millions of new protein structures, many of which demonstrated significant therapeutic potential. Some of these AI-designed proteins have already undergone testing for their potential use in critical areas like cancer treatments and powerful antivirals. For instance, in Silico Medicine announced in 2023 that an AI-designed drug for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis was entering clinical trials, a major milestone in AI-driven drug development. By efficiently generating molecular candidates and accurately predicting their behavior, AI allows scientists to bypass years of traditional guesswork, streamlining the entire drug discovery process. Number 3. Quantum computing for chemistry simulations, a revolutionary approach to understanding molecular interactions. Molecules interact in incredibly complex ways that quickly overwhelm the processing capabilities of even the most powerful classical computers. However, quantum computing, when guided by advanced AI, is now making these intricate simulations not only feasible but increasingly precise. In 2023, researchers successfully employed AI-optimized quantum algorithms to predict chemical reactivity at scales, and with accuracies never before achieved. These groundbreaking advances are particularly crucial for developing clean energy solutions, such as highly efficient catalysts for hydrogen fuel production or superior battery materials. The result is more accurate and comprehensive simulations of chemistry, which could profoundly transform everything from medical research to renewable energy technologies. Number 2. Spatial intelligence in AI, marking a significant leap in how AI perceives and interacts with our physical world. AI is no longer limited to processing just text or images. It is rapidly learning to understand and interpret the real world in 3 intricate dimensions. Advanced large geospatial models and sophisticated visual positioning systems now provide mapping accuracy down to the centimeter level, offering unprecedented precision. This fundamental shift holds immense importance for critical applications such as self-driving cars, immersive augmented reality experiences, and optimizing complex supply chain logistics. By providing AI with a far better grasp of physical environments, researchers are effectively bridging the gap between the digital and physical worlds, impacting daily life in profound ways. Number 1. Google's quantum AI chip, codenamed Willow, representing a monumental step in quantum computing for artificial intelligence. In 2024, Google officially unveiled Willow, a groundbreaking 105-qubit quantum chip specifically engineered and designed for demanding AI workloads. During rigorous testing, Willow demonstrated its incredible power by solving a complex computation in just 5 minutes, a task that would have taken classical supercomputers billions of years to complete. The powerful combination of quantum computing's raw processing power with AI's advanced pattern recognition abilities could unlock unprecedented breakthroughs across fields like cryptography, material science, and many others. It serves as a powerful reminder that AI is not merely advancing in isolation. It is evolving synergistically alongside other cutting-edge technologies that significantly amplify its reach and potential. From precisely folding proteins to intricately decoding the human brain, from accurately predicting severe storms to ingeniously inventing new algorithms, AI is no longer just assisting research. It is rapidly becoming a powerful discovery engine in its own right. These remarkable breakthroughs collectively demonstrate how AI is quietly but profoundly transforming science at every single level, from the microscopic to the macroscopic. From the smallest molecules to the vastness of galaxies, the pace of discovery is accelerating exponentially, and what once took decades of human effort can now happen in mere days. The real and pressing question now is, how will these incredible discoveries ripple out and fundamentally reshape our lives in the years and decades ahead? Because the transformative story of AI in science, with all its immense potential, is truly only just beginning to unfold. If you've made it this far into our discussion, please let us know your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. For more fascinating topics and deep dives, be sure to check out the recommended video on your screen, and don't forget to subscribe for more explorations into the future of intelligence.